Jenny here with SwissWatchExpo, looking at a watch that combines two unique Rolex-specific features into one great watch. First, I'm going to talk about this bracelet, which has this amazing set of stripes, and Rolex calls it its Tridor bracelet because it combines rose gold, yellow gold, and white gold all on one link, and it just shows off how amazing the metalwork is at Rolex that they're able to pull this off. It's such a subtle and small detail on a watch that really makes it so cool when you go up close up and see all the different colors of gold. And the dial has Rolex written all over it. It's called the Jubilee or Anniversary dial. This one is cream and it's more of a texture, but they've got lots of different kinds and colors, and ones that are more reflective and shiny, ones that are just more of a texture. It really depends kind of what they wanted to experiment with that year. But this dial was originally released for the 40th anniversary of the Rolex Datejust, which is called the Jubilee Anniversary. And this watch just really combines two great Rolex specific features in one and makes a really fun, beautiful, and unique watch that celebrates the history and the ingenuity of the Rolex team. Get this watch and look at all of our other Rolex watches at SwissWatchExpo.com.